Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily, and in today's video I'm excited to share with you the latest monthly club from Hero Arts. And it comes with a paper pad that is really gorgeous. It looks something like this. I believe all of the colors are here. Really cute palette for this month. And we also get this brown acrylic speckle. So I haven't tried their acrylic paints before, so this will be a fun one to play with. Just now, before I put my camera on, I just spread it out like with a dispenser. It looks like this onto a white piece of paper. This is just Neenah cardstock, so you can see how that looks, and it probably will dry until this video is off so we can look at it, or done. First off, we have this beautiful stamp set. So it's kind of soup related, and it's called Your Super Stamp. Your Super, oh, this is a stamp set, okay, maybe, so that is the thing. And it's the December card kit of the month, and we have a ton of sentiments. Kind of funny actually. Life is short, lick the ball, feel better fast, get well soon, you're super, a super big thank you, and a bunch more. And we have this pot, and we have some greeneries to go with it, and like the top of the pan and the lid, and just a bowl and some spoons in different sizes, and some like smoke coming out of it. So really cute. I will definitely be playing with the stamp set for this month. And then I just got these, and you can see mine aren't nicely packaged. They will come nicely packaged for you guys. I just have samples since I'm on, I don't know, not the design team, but I get my products early. So you can see you have coordinating dies, I believe, for all of the sentiments as well. That is really nice. And everything, so they will probably cut everything out from that. And then we have this is from the card kit of the month, and this one is I believe this might be the extra. Like if you grab everything from this month, you probably would get this one for free, I guess. But I don't know, so definitely check the website for this one. Really cute though. Really cute. And this one I believe comes in the die set, in the card kit. And we have some hands, we have like a sweater. You can probably create some patterns on that one. And we have a body, and we have a heart. So maybe they are meant to like hug the heart or something like that. I have to play with this one. I haven't seen any pictures yet from this. So this is exciting to see what it actually will create in the end. So I will definitely be playing with this in this video so we can check it out together. And then I believe this one is the die of the month. And we have sort of this word soup theme. Really cute. So we have the hands and a spoon and some vegetables to go in, some crackers, and then we have some put together words already, and then we had alphabets, so you can definitely create your own words into this soup. So that is really nice. So this one I will be playing with, like, for sure this video. So let's get into the video. So I'm so glad that you stayed and want to watch this next part of the video, where I am going to be creating one card. I will have 2 more cards featuring over at my Instagram account later this week, and I think you will enjoy those as well. I used that die set that we talked about previously with the arms, so you will get to see that in action over at Instagram later this week. So I just wanted to point that out. So you can see I took some of the smaller images from that stamp set and I mounted them onto acrylic blocks because I think it's easier just to move them around like this on my work surface. And I have some black ink and I'm just going to fill in this entire piece of white paper, and this is I believe it's Neenah 80-pound cardstock. So the ink is just a regular ink that you can use with alcohol markers, and you will see later on what I created with that panel. For the focal point, I have this beautiful, I think you can say pot, right? And I will use some of the stamps that are solid just to create some vibrancy into it. And I also stamped the inside of the pot here. And then I took a marker from my stash. This is just an Ola marker, and you can see I'm going around coloring this in, making sure that it ties in together with the rest of the blue colors that I used. And of course I wanted to fill in also the inside and everything, so everything sort of ties together. You can also see that I stamped the lid for our pot here, and I am going to go around with just 2 markers to make it a little bit more a smooth transition between those colors. This is the background pattern again that we created. I love that we created our own background, and you can see I'm just taking an ink blending tool and going over it, and then I cut another piece with the coordinating dies and just color it in blue, because I had this idea that this lid will be able to be opened and closed with a sentiment. So you can see here I'm just taking my scoring tool and just making a score so I can fold this over itself, and then we can go ahead and attach that to our pot. And you can see also off camera colored in a bunch of those little teeny tiny ingredients for this bowl of soup, and I cut them out and I will attach them to the lower part of my card, just making sure that this really looks like it's grounded. Since I don't have like a table or something like that, it will sort of look like it's floating if it's just there. But when I'm putting a couple of other things besides it, I think it looks a little bit better. Another option, now I created this fun background pattern, but if another option would be to sort of cut a table at an angle and have here, that would also be really cute. I love having some dimension between my layers, so this will definitely be raised up a little bit, so I have that little raise, and it also makes everything look a little bit more clear and clean, I think. So you can see the sentiment, deep breaths, friend, you got this, I believe it says, and then you can just fold it over itself, and there you go, you have a card. So here is another one. I think it's nice to have something on the outside as well, so the recipient can see one of the sentiments right away. And that pretty much finished off our project. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video, and as I said, I will have more content over at Instagram later on this week. So thank you so much for stopping by and watching the latest release from Hero Arts. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will be back soon with some more content. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!